This is a short video to demonstrate how to split the keyboard or use a smaller keyboard on the iPad. This will help you when you don't have your keyboard available. If this is your first time trying out these tips and tricks, it might help to have the video playing side by side as you learn the tips. When you're in an area of the iPad that requires text and your keyboard is not connected, that keyboard will display at the bottom half of your screen, making it hard to see. As an example, when you're in the clinical notes in MIS. To split the keyboard, use two fingers or your thumbs, hold and drag from the letter G and the letter H with each finger or thumb. To put the keyboard back to normal, use your two fingers or your thumbs, grabbing the G and the H, pulling them back together. Now we'll go through how to make the keyboard smaller. With your pointer finger and your thumb, you'll need to pinch the keyboard together. When the keyboard is smaller, you can drag it around the screen to put it somewhere that doesn't intrude on what you're needing to see. To do that, hold and drag from the bottom of the keyboard, moving to where it suits. To return the keyboard back to normal, use your pointer finger and thumb, pushing it outwards rather than pinching it in. Changing the keyboard can take a couple of times to get the hang of it. However, if you need some more assistance, please contact the MMPO. Thank you for watching, and to see more iPad tips and tricks or other training videos on MIS or Tiaki, please visit our website.